Dylan is right! There's a shadow over there! Let's go!
Whoosh!
Mocky, you need to fix the air conditioner, Mocky. If you don't fix it, you will sleep outside the house, Mocky. What? You sick! I will call the police! You bring me, Mocky!
Yeah. It's me, the ice cream truck.
Well, I guess we need to wait, Wait?
You're gonna wait, Mocky. You're gonna.
Hey!
Hello, boy.
It's the ice cream man!
Hey, that's me. How can I help you, boy?
Please, ice cream man. I milk the ice cream man. Please
Give me ice cream, man. Don't worry, my boy. I will give you this big horrible. Amate monkey.
I can't enough!
Did you just shoot at me? Did you just shoot at me?
Monkey, we're gonna die, Monkey! The shadow! Let's go to the shadow!